All right, check this out, guys. Today we got acrylic signs. These are perfect for your lobbies, perfect to advertise. If you're going to have a yard sale, you want to put pricing, you could actually set these up too. And they're very simple. They're 8.5 by 11 regular standard size paper. You do your printouts, and this is, we just did a demo printout, a free Wi-Fi kind of thing. So if you have a business that you're running, you want to share the password, this is one way people won't stop asking anybody the password. Just point to the sign and so forth. Now we did another printout. This is for a classroom. If you want to train any kind of health or science, you could set up your tables in here and so forth. We set up a pyramid, the food pyramid, if you guys can see that here as an example. To remove is very simple. It just slides out and that's it. Now it does have a stronger, harder bottom, but that's for the acrylic to stand up straight. It's a standardized paper. You could do double sides if you want. I don't have anything on one side, but you do two sides. It's very simple to set up. All you got to do is print your paper, add your flyer, even menus in front of restaurants. You could set this up for that too. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.